Foos gone wild.
What's up everybody, Big Ramos LSD back again this week with video number 13. I'm doing my second Foos Gone Wild design. Barrio Lopez, aka Mario Lopez, aka AC Slater. Much love to Little Mystery, Foos Gone Wild, and Cookies for all showing love, and especially on the repost on the page and stories. Thank you to my family and friends and regular followers and all the new followers on my Instagram page, Big Ramos 009. Alright, enough talking for now. Let's get to the art tips music. This week I actually got the line art section of the process, and I noticed that in last week's video I didn't add extra footage that I had of the process. Hella dumb. Failure. But yeah, anyways, for the line art, draw lightly at first while you figure things out, and then that way it'll be easier if you fuck up to erase and fix your mistake. I was using a photo as reference, but I was also figuring out the look of the character while I was doing it, so I had to kind of be a little light at first while I was figuring it out. I had the reference, but I wasn't trying to copy it 100%. I was trying to make an exaggerated version of what I was looking at. So I normally don't really do that, so I had to kind of make sure that it was good before I started to darken the lines. And once you start to figure out some more and you're for sure that that's what you want, that's when you can start darkening up your lines some. After I got to a certain point with the line art, I whipped out the watercolors. Good reference photos or live models are crucial to figuring out the light and shadow on the figure or whatever it is that you're drawing. With a lot of practice, you could start to come up with it from your head, from imagination, but nothing really beats good reference. I added the quote right quick, and please forgive me for the focus on the video. This is earlier in my use of the Sony camera that I got. Same as last week, me and my little brother spent some time in the day just coming up with a gang of ideas pertaining to Fools Gone Wild. This was one of my favorite ideas we came up with. I think we had seen Mario say the quote on his Instagram page or Fools Gone Wild's Instagram page, doing something for them. Again, go for, God damn it. Again, go follow Fools Gone Wild. If you don't, they're hella funny. Again, go follow Fools Gone Wild. They're always good for a laugh, guaranteed. The house shoes, the shorts, the skinny legs, the quote. My teacher once told me to turn in my essay, but I ain't no snitch. The cross, the hands in the LA sign, they're all hella funny. Once the painting was up to a certain level, I went back to the pencils for my finishing lines or my final lines, however you want to call them. It's like my inking process. I've said it before and I'm gonna say it again. Since I don't really like the look of ink to finish a piece, I use my pencil as a substitute. Painting is a game of back and forths, darkening things and lightening things, making things warmer or making things cooler, always comparing everything to everything. The same principles apply to when you're drawing too, back and forth from light and dark till you're happy with the results. Once the line art gets worked up, I switch back to the watercolor to make sure everything is as dark or as light and as vibrant as I want. Those pretty much were my finishing touches, besides finishing off the text and doing the editing side of the piece. In Photoshop, I edited the 9 other designs plus this one and finally got it done this week, or last week. I was hella happy how this one turned out, so let's get to the final product.
Foos gone wild.
So that's it for this one. How do y'all like it? I'm probably gonna switch up the subject for next week's video, unless you guys want the next one of these. Let me know. Thank you very much for watching. To anyone who's a regular or becoming a regular, I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell so you won't miss the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.
Foos gone wild.